Sleep isn't just downtime for the body. It's an incredibly active and essential process that keeps the brain healthy and resilient. During deep sleep, the brain sets to work repairing itself at the cellular level, especially through balancing redox metabolism, essentially keeping potentially harmful molecules called free radicals in check. Free radicals, if allowed to accumulate, can damage brain cells, but sleep helps neutralize them and reduce stress on the brain, allowing neurons to recharge and function properly. Every night, the brain uses this time to clean house. One remarkable process, the glymphatic system acts like a nightly waste removal crew, flushing out toxins including beta amyloid, a protein associated with Alzheimer's disease. There's strong evidence that people who don't get enough deep sleep, or whose sleep is frequently interrupted, have higher levels of beta amyloid in their brains, increasing their risk for cognitive decline and dementia. Studies even show that regular sleep disruption can speed up aging in the brain and make memory consolidation harder, raising the risk of diseases like Parkinson's and stroke over time. Sleep isn't just crucial for thinking and memory, it's vital for mood, too. If sleep is cut short, brain chemicals like serotonin and dopamine fall out of balance, making people more prone to depression and anxiety. Recent science has drawn connections between chronic sleep deprivation and increased inflammation in the body, which can worsen the risks for multiple sclerosis and other neurodegenerative diseases. And sleep's reach goes far beyond the brain. Poor sleep can elevate blood pressure, harden arteries, and upset metabolism, boosting the likelihood of developing type 2 diabetes and heart disease. When people aren't sleeping well, it's not just their minds that suffer, it's their entire body. One of the big takeaways from modern research is that sleep is just as important as good nutrition. Both are pillars of long-term health. Just as skipping vitamins and healthy food leads to physical fatigue and illness, missing sleep causes mental fog, emotional swings, and makes diseases more likely. What's more, sleep loss and poor diet reinforce each other. A bad night's sleep can spur cravings for sugary or fatty foods, and those choices can disrupt sleep in turn. So, sleep is a powerful form of preventive medicine. Neuroscientists now say that prioritizing quality rest is one of the best ways to keep the brain sharp, boost emotional stability, and ward off serious disease. Habits like keeping a regular sleep routine, cutting out screens before bed, and creating a comfortable environment truly matter. By taking sleep as seriously as diet and exercise, people set themselves up for better thinking, slower brain aging, and a much stronger defense against illness.